Hi, my name is Indya Fields. I am a political science major, psychology minor from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I am a member of the most prolific speech and debate team here at Spelman College. I am applying to be on the e-board as fundraising coordinator. Okay, so I've been asked, what makes me uniquely qualified to fulfill this position? Well, I myself am a businesswoman. I own and operate two successful businesses, and I also operate another successful business. I'm good with money. I'm good with managing the backflow of businesses and organizations, doing paperwork, and just being organized. I've also been asked to name 3 entities I would contact to get things like financial support and scholarships and donations. So my first is alumni of the team. The Spelman Speech and Debate Team has been around for a very long time. It was founded shortly after the school was founded, so we have many members, and we are a great speech and debate team, so I know that won't be an issue. I would also reach out to politicians. I know that politicians move to get a lot of college activity in their campaigns and things like that, so it will be a win-win for politicians if they donate and help us. And last and mostly important, the parents and families of speech and of the people here at Spelman. I know that parents sometimes feel like, oh, we're already giving Spelman our all, but I know and I'm confident that what the team brings to the table, that won't be an issue. So if I'm elected, what fundraising initiatives would I implement in the upcoming year? So first, I would implement the team being out at more events like Market Friday. At Market Friday, we can do things like sell different things to, one, bring awareness to the speech and debate team here at Spelman, but two, also fundraise money. The second thing is scrimmages. We can do ticket sales for scrimmages. We can scrimmage against teams in the AUC, or I know this past year we did it on Zoom. We can invite people to come over and host scrimmages. Like I said, I own and operate 2 businesses, and they are in the food industry. So something I would love to do is to do dinner sales and bake sales, yes. Okay. What do you do when you run into a professional, academic, or curricular roadblocks? First thing first, in being organized, you must give yourself ample time to mess up, to get back up, to mess up, and to get back up. I feel as though when I'm at roadblocks, I'm quick on my feet because I have allowed myself time to mess up and to get it right. So as long as I'm allowing myself time, and when I run into these roadblocks, handling them with a calm and cool, collected manner will not only help me, but will help the team be more calm and cool and collected. So the last question, what skills and characteristics do successfully fundraising coordinators possess? How do I plan to implement those skills and embody those characteristics during our tenure? Again, my calm and cool personality will help the better judgment for everyone. When you're in high stress situations, you look for someone to be calm, cool, collected, and organized. So that is something that I can offer for the team. I'm very good at handling work, whether that be paperwork, whether that be talking or speaking or emailing or conversing with people outside of school, people in school. I'm good with that. I'm good with making sure that we are heard. And just being ready to be used at any time and any moment. Stepping up, even though something may not be my job, I'm willing to step up and help out in other opportunities to better the speech and debate team. So this has been my campaign video, and I hope that you select me for the fundraising coordinator. Bye.